This is a startup procedure for a box and bag handler that has a portable base on it. When you get the machine, you can lift it by the two fork tubes here and transport it to your area. The air connection also coming to this is you need probably about a 3/8, half-inch air line coming into your moisture trap here. It has an air booster on it that you'll be able to monitor your incoming air pressure, and you can set the other regulator for 100 psi coming into it. It has a regulator here. You'll lift the knob, set it to 100 psi, and push it down. Now that's the air pressure feeding the whole machine. The air pressure comes into this regulator, main control regulator here. You'll need to lift the knob on it, set your gauge for 100 psi, push back down on it, and that locks it in place. Now, you have two control regulators here. This regulator here you'll set for the balance of the machine so that when you raise it up and down, it stays wherever you leave it. Also, too, you have a regulator here on the main arm that is controlling the secondary pressure. That's so that when you go to lift your boxes or your bags, depending upon what weight it is, you'll need to set that regulator each time you change the weight of the box or the weight of the bag. All right. This machine also has a Venturi vacuum pump system on it. This is the Venturi vacuum pump. Air line that needs to feed it. You have a that you can turn off. Get ready to run it. You can turn it on, run it as long as you need to, and then when you're not using it, you can just turn off the air pressure or the air coming to the Venturi vacuum pump to cut down on your airflow. Okay. This regulator on here has already been set for the small boxes. Come down top of the box, set your cup in place, release the two little handles here. You have 300 degrees of rotation. Now to lift the bigger boxes, take the hand knobs here, adjust them out. Now, for a vacuum, you're going to have to reset your regulator for a little bit higher pressure to lift the box that's heavier. Lift it so that the amount of force up and down are about equal. To release them, got two little hand knobs here. Push them, that releases it. Now, we're going to switch it out. We're going to switch from a bag handler, the box handler to a bag. We're going to go ahead and turn off our vacuum. We'll show you how this is done. You have a safety latch pin and a half-inch pin so that you can we're going to turn the air pressure down on the machine here because we're going to reduce the pressure from what this regulator here is set for. All right. Put your half-inch pin in, and then return your little safety latch pin. Now, we're going to come back. We're going to have to reset our regulator here because we have a bag that's lighter in weight. I'm going to turn on my Venturi vacuum pump. I'll turn this regulator down. Come down to the bag, attach to it. Turn the regulator up. Shake a little bit at a time as you turn it up. Now it's balanced. To release it, use your two thumbs. The bag will flatten out, back out over time, as you plot everything off of it. concludes the operations procedure for this project.